Hello, everyone. So, as you can see, I am not at school today. I am still going to teach you, though, about time zones. So, time zones, guys, you should know them already, especially if you watch sports or any sort of award show, because they'll talk about Eastern Standard Time versus Pacific Time. And if it's 8 o'clock here, they'll talk about it's 5 o'clock in California or vice versa. All right, so what does that have to do with latitude and longitude? Well, it has everything to do with longitude, right? So if you're crossing over a line of longitude, okay, you're going to change your time. So if it's 12 noon here and you go to the right or go through the Atlantic Ocean, you're going to increase in time. Okay, well, why? All has to do with the Earth's rotation. The Earth rotates from west to east at a rate of 15 degrees per hour. What that means is that each one of these lines in the picture is going to be a 15-degree difference. Okay, so every 15 degrees that you move, you're either going to add an hour or you're going to subtract an hour. Right? So they're divided by 1 hour is 15 degrees. Right? As you go to the right, or if you were going from New York to Italy, okay, that means you're going to add hours. Because as we rotate, things that are to our right are going to also see the sun earlier than things that are to our left. Right? So California doesn't see the sun until 3 hours after we do. Okay? So, for example, we're here, right? We are right here in New York. I don't know if you guys can see it, but as you move to the right, you're going to increase by a certain number of hours because of the lines of longitude. Okay, as you go in this direction, you're going to decrease because of the lines of longitude. So, if we're in New York, we move 1, 2, 3 lines of longitude to the left. That means California is 3 hours behind us. Okay, so what I would like you to do now is these 3 questions. I want you to figure out what time it is for people in New York, the middle of Australia, Florida, Italy, and California if we are standing at 3 p.m., all right, at the tip of India. All right, you're going to have to use Earth Science Reference Table page 4 for this. It's the way to do it. And then figure out, do we move to the right, and how many degrees longitude do we move to the right? Divide that by 15. So what I want you guys to do right now is pause this video and figure that out. Okay, so if you are looking at this, and you see that the tip of India, if my computer wants to work, okay, so the tip of India, we're looking at the reference table, right? We said page 4. Not the tectonic plates, this one. Right, the tip of India is right here. Right, it's about 80 degrees east. Does everybody see that? Hopefully everybody does. If you want to go to New York over here, which we said was around 70 degrees east, you have to figure out how many degrees did we move. And notice we are moving to the right. Okay, so if it's 3 p.m. here, it's going to be about 5 a.m. here. Why? Because we moved from about 80 degrees to about 70 degrees. So that's 80 to 180 is 100 degrees. And then 180 to 70, you're going to add those two together, then divide it by 15. And that's how you're going to get your answers. Okay, so let's look at it really quick. Right? So in New York, we're going to be at 5 a.m. In the middle of Australia, we're going to be at 7 p.m. In Florida, it's also going to be 5 a.m. because New York and Florida are at the same line of longitude, and therefore the time does not change. Italy, it'll be 11 a.m., and California, it will be at 2 a.m. All right, guys, so you're going to be working on the packet that I posted for you. I hope you guys have a really good day, and I will hopefully see you on Thursday. Good luck on the PSATs.